Hey Beauty Smarties, it's Maria back again, and today I want to share with you guys some awesome wavy hair care tips and hacks. So I was actually born with pretty wavy hair, but throughout the years and tons of heat styling, I've lost a little bit of that curl. But the hacks I'm going to share with you guys have brought a little bit of life back into my hair. If you don't have wavy or curly hair, fear not. Some of the tips I'm going to share with you guys are great for any hair type. Have you been keeping up with the latest Beauty Smarties? If you haven't, it's because you probably aren't already subscribed to 17's YouTube channel, so click that red subscribe button down below. Remember, Beauty Smarties goes live every Tuesday at 5, so you don't want to miss it. Now let's get right into the video. The first hack is to sleep with a pineapple bun or ponytail. You'll want to gather your hair at the very top of your head and loosely secure in place with a scrunchie to avoid any dents. This style has been done by the curly community for ages to avoid frizz while you sleep. A tip I found super helpful is to sleep with a silk pillowcase. This is going to prevent any friction overnight, therefore preventing any breakage and frizzy hair in the morning. It's also great for your skin and it doesn't dry it out. The next hack is to try a quick pre-shower hair melt. The way to do this is to melt a few spoonfuls of coconut oil for about 15 to 45 seconds. Once your coconut oil is completely melted, you can apply it as you would a regular hair mask from the root to the end of your hair. Coconut oil is rich in antimicrobial properties, lauric acid, and fatty acids that strengthen your hair, condition the scalp, and help to regrow your hair. I've left the mask on now for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out. Okay guys, I'm back. My hair is all washed. I washed my hair with sulfate-free and alcohol-free shampoo and conditioner. Sulfate and alcohol are chemicals that can really dry out your hair and make it look frizzy, so that is a no-no for curly and wavy hair. If you have naturally curly or wavy hair, you want to be cautious of overwashing. Overwashing is going to strip the natural oils from your scalp and cause your hair to poof up and frizz. I like to skip the shampoo every other wash and just really condition my hair. Another tip I found super helpful for my wavy hair is doing a cool rinse. What is a cool rinse, you might ask? It's basically using cold water to seal the cuticles of your hair for a shinier appearance. The cold water is also going to help tighten the pores on your skin, so it's a win-win. This would usually be the last step that I do before I get out of the shower, but since I'm not in the shower, I'm just going to go ahead and use a spray. This next hack, I wish someone had told me when I was younger. To detangle your hair, use a wide tooth comb or even your fingers. Fine tooth combing on dry hair will only separate your waves and cause frizz. You want your waves to stick together, so don't split them up. On the topic of combing, comb from the ends of your hair and work upwards towards the roots. Combing in the opposite direction will only cause a large knot that's going to aggravate your hair and you. My next hack is to use a microfiber towel or simply a long sleeve shirt to dry your hair. To get the best result, try the plopping method. To do this, simply lay your shirt flat on a surface, flip your hair over and plop it on top, hence the name, plopping. Tie the sleeves together and let your hair dry for a few minutes. This will gently allow your hair to dry in its natural shape. So now that I've wrapped my hair in this cool t-shirt, I want to give you guys a quick tip. When you're drying your hair, you never want to rub it dry with a towel, you only want to scrunch it. So now that my hair isn't soaking wet, I'm ready to take this guy off and start my DIY hair diffuser. This DIY is a great hack if you don't want to spend a ton of money on a diffuser. All you'll need is a strainer, yes, like the ones you use in the kitchen, and your trusty blow dryer. Just gather your hair into the strainer and blow dry as you normally would. This method will work wonders for your waves and save you a few bucks. And there you go, perfectly dried, wavy hair. And there you have it, Beauty Smarties. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave your favorite hair hacks in the comment section down below. I would love to know them. And don't forget to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button. Remember, Beauty Smarties goes live every Tuesday and you won't want to miss it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!